If you're managing influencer partnerships or collaborations, knowing how to use scheduler tools for influencer and collab content can save you a ton of time and effort. This quick 3-minute tutorial is all about showing you how to streamline your content planning so you can focus on what really matters, creating great content and building those key relationships. I've tried all the popular tools out there, and I'm going to show you the one I personally recommend. Stick around till the end because I've got an exclusive offer just for you. An extended free trial of the software we'll be using in the description below. First, let's talk about why scheduler tools are a game changer for influencer and collab content. The core benefit is consistency. By using a tool to schedule your posts, you ensure your content is being published at the best times, even when you're busy with other tasks. This is especially useful when you're collaborating with influencers who may be in different time zones or have a busy schedule of their own. No more back and forth trying to figure out timing, you'll be able to plan it all in advance. Now let's dive into the steps. To get started, you want to choose the right scheduler tool. We'll be using the software I recommend, and I'll show you how simple it is. You'll be able to integrate your social media accounts right into the platform, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, whichever you're using for your collab content. Most scheduler tools allow you to link your accounts seamlessly. Once you've connected your accounts, the next step is creating a content calendar. This is where the magic happens. The software will let you plan your posts well in advance, and some even allow you to automate content approvals from influencers. That means you can send them your draft content, wait for approval, and schedule the post without constant follow-up. This helps avoid any last-minute rushes, especially when working with multiple influencers. When you're scheduling your posts, be sure to check the analytics. Some software will tell you when your audience is most active, helping you to post at the best times for maximum engagement. Additionally, you can batch create content. This means you can set aside time each week to create multiple pieces of content, and the scheduler tool will take care of the posting. Another great feature is the ability to manage collaborations with multiple influencers. The software allows you to schedule content in a way that coordinates perfectly with your influencer's posting schedule, ensuring that you both stay aligned. This is a game changer because when you're managing multiple campaigns, it's easy to lose track of who's posting what and when. Now, the software I recommend also has built-in analytics that shows you how each post is performing. You can track engagement and optimize your future posts based on the data. The best part, it's super user-friendly, and once you get the hang of it, you'll save hours each week on scheduling and content management. So here's the key takeaway. Using scheduler tools for influencer and collab content isn't just about posting on time, it's about maximizing your efficiency and ensuring that every post is strategically planned. It takes a lot of the stress out of influencer marketing and allows you to focus on building genuine relationships with your collaborators. To quickly recap, Step 1, choose your scheduler tool and connect your accounts. Step 2, create a content calendar and automate content approval. Step 3, use analytics to optimize your posting times and track engagement. And step 4, manage multiple influencers with ease to stay organized and aligned. Before I wrap up, remember to grab that exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along with this tutorial. Trust me, this software will make your content strategy so much smoother. Thanks for watching.